Wanted criminal shot dead in police encounter. STF and Unnao police joint operation. In a dramatic turn of events, the Uttar Pradesh Special Task Force, in coordination with Unnao police, has shot dead a notorious criminal wanted in high-profile Sultanpur robbery case. The encounter took place at Betar in Achalganj, Unnao. Anuj Pratap Singh, a wanted criminal with a 1 lakh bounty on his head, was shot in an encounter with the STF Lucknow and Unnao police today. The clash occurred while authorities were pursuing suspect involved in the 1.5 crore jewellery heist in Sultanpur. Singh, also known as Dharamraj Singh from Amethi, was critically injured after being shot in the head. Despite being rushed to the district hospital, he was declared dead upon arrival. STF's second encounter in robbery case. ASP Akhilesh Singh provided details stating that a clash took place between the accused related to the Sultanpur robbery and the STF team. Further investigation is ongoing.
भारत ज्वेलर्स की दुकान में हुई डकैती से संबंधित अभियुक्त गणों की आज दिनांक 23/9/24 को एसटीएफ लखनऊ की टीम के साथ थाना अचलगंज उन्नाव क्षेत्र में मुठभेड़ हुई, जिसमें एक बदमाश घायल हुआ और दूसरा मौके का फायदा उठाकर भागने में सफल हो गया। घायल बदमाश की शिनाख्त अनुज प्रताप सिंह पुत्र धर्मराज सिंह निवासी ग्राम जनापुर थाना मोहनगंज जनपद अमेठी के रूप में की गई है, जो 1 लाख का इनामिया था। घायल बदमाश को प्राथमिक उपचार हेतु 108 एम्बुलेंस के माध्यम से सरकारी अस्पताल में भेजा गया, जहां से उसे प्राथमिक उपचार के बाद जिला अस्पताल उन्नाव भेजा गया।
SP Deepak Bukhar confirmed that one of the criminals managed to escape, adding that the injured suspect was taken for medical aid but was later declared dead. He was identified as Anuj Pratap Singh, key suspect in the Sultanpur heist.
इस बदमाश की पहचान जो है वो अनुज प्रताप सिंह सन ऑफ धर्मराज सिंह जनपद अमेठी से हुई है। यह बदमाश 1 लाख का इनामी अपराधी था। वह सुल्तानपुर में हुई डकैती की घटना में वांछित चल रहा था। इस बदमाश के विरुद्ध पहले भी आपराधिक मुकदमे दर्ज हैं और जो मौके से है उसमें 2 पिस्टल, 7 खोखा कारतूस, 3 जिंदा कारतूस तथा एक बैग बरामद हुआ है जिसमें चांदी की जो ज्वेलरी है वो मौजूद थी और मौके से ही एक मोटरसाइकिल पैशन प्रो बरामद हुई है।
Political row erupts over encounters. 1.5 crore Sultanpur heist under investigation. This comes weeks after another accused, Mangesh Yadav, was killed in an STF encounter on September 5th, sparking political outrage. Opposition leaders, including those from the Samajwadi Party and Congress, labelled the encounters fake, questioning police accountability. The heist, which took place on August 28, saw robbers make off with 1.5 crore worth of jewellery. However, the police has been successful in recovering large amount of stolen items in previous operations, arresting several suspects and recovering gold, silver and cash. Further investigation underway. As the investigation continues, authorities are on the lookout for remaining suspects. The Achalganj police and forensic teams are currently investigating the encounter site. The drama surrounding the Sultanpur robbery case continues to unfold, with questions being raised about police encounters and justice for the victims. Stay tuned for further updates. News Desk reports, such the reality.